All right, we're at number 6 on the short answer. We have a quadratic problem, and with every quadratic, we have to set everything equal to 0. So I have r squared plus 4r minus 5. Now, they've asked us to find the roots. Other words that are similar to roots, okay? The solutions, or solve, okay? Or the x-intercepts, okay? Or zeros. All of those are the same thing, okay? Or close to the same thing. Let me put it that way. All right, so I have r squared plus 4r minus 5. What are my factors? If I multiply, I get a negative 5. If I combine, I get a positive 4. 1 and 5. So what's going to be positive? What's going to be negative? We have 5 and 1 as our factors. Which is going to be positive? Which is going to be negative? Yeah, the 5 is positive, and therefore the 1 is negative. Okay, now these are my factors. They ask for the roots. Factors, roots, solutions, opposite sides. So what are my factors? What are my solutions to this right here? R is equal to negative 5, and R is equal to 1. All right, now number 7. Pay close attention to this. This will probably be the only question that is not multiple choice. Okay, so you're actually going to have to solve this. The only thing that's going to change is the amount of square feet and, okay, what the length is. Okay, so let's work this out, okay, without the helps of A, B, C, and D down here, and let's solve this. I have a total area of a room that's 375 square feet. Okay, so I'm going to draw just a simple picture. Okay, the area is 375. She wants the total area of that. It should be 10 feet longer than it is wide. So my width is x, and my length is x plus 10. Okay, now, how do I find area? I take what times what? Length times width. So I have x times x plus 10, and all that's going to equal 375. Now, I'm going to factor this out, or distribute this out, so I'm left with x squared plus 10x equals 375. Now, just like I did in number 6, where I have to get everything to one side, set everything equal to 0 in a quadratic, I'm going to move this 375. So now I have x squared plus 10x minus 375 equals 0. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and give you the factors that they are. When you have a number this large, it can get kind of tiresome. You're going to have to work through it on the test. Okay, but this one, I know it's at least divisible by 5. Okay, so take 375 divided by 5. And what do I get? You should get 75, I believe. Okay, so 5 and 75. Those aren't going to be my factors that get down to 10. Okay, I'm going to then try 15. Okay, 375 divided by 15. 25. Can I manipulate these numbers to get them to 10? Yeah. Okay, so these are the ones I'm going to use. So my factors are going to be x plus 25 and x minus 15. All right, now these are my factors. I got to find just like we did up here, my solutions. Okay, what is positive, what is negative? So x minus 15 is equal to 0, and x plus 25 is equal to 0. Now, I'm going to subtract 25 here. Can distance be negative? No. Okay, that's a negative 25, and I can't do anything with that. But I can do something with that. Is 15, that's positive, right? Correct? 15's positive, so that's my width. So if that is my width, then what is my length? 25. So I have a 15 by 25 room. Okay, 15 by 25 room. All right, number 8. Okay, number 8 through 12, okay, is all going to be just solving quadratics. All right, I've got to get everything equal to everybody? Everybody. 0. Okay, so, and I also want my x squared, the a part of my quadratic, to be positive. So I want to move the 3x over here. All right, so I'm going to move the 3x. So now I have x squared minus 3x minus 18. Okay, so now, okay, I need to factor. What are my factors? If I multiply, I get a negative 18. If I combine, I get a negative 3. 3 and 6. So I have x minus 6, x plus 3. Okay, those are my factors. What are my solutions? X is 6 and negative 3. Okay, any questions on that? Any questions? All right, let's take a look at number 9. Okay, I'm going to move the 6x. Move the 6x, so now I have 4x squared minus 6x minus 4. Now, I have a part, all right, that is other than 1. So what am I going to need to do? I'm going to need to, take out 2. Can-Coe, that's what I first want to start with. Okay, and that's going to be, that's going to be 3x minus 2. All right, now I can start my advanced factoring. Take 2 times negative 2. So I have 2x squared minus 3x minus 4. What are my factors? If I multiply, I get a negative 4. If I combine, I get a negative 3. What are my factors? 1 and 4. Okay, so then I factor as usual. Hey folks, please be quiet. 2. So now I have x minus 4, x plus 1. Okay, now I got to put my a's back in front of my x's. Okay, so my a's are going to be 2. So now I have 2x minus 4 and 2x plus 1. Okay, then I'm going to reduce. So now I have 2 and 4 can be reduced by 2. So that's x minus 2 and 2x plus 1. Then my last step, they've asked me to solve. So I'm going to take the opposite of these. What are going to be my answers? Yeah, x is equal to 2. And x is equal to negative 1/2. Okay. Oh, am I not down far enough? My apologies. Okay. Can you all see it? Yes, sir.